Hello guys, so yan po, I will be wrapping 11, ang tawag dyan? Bithouse rice cooker. Kasi ito ay regalo ng aking brother sa kanyang mga kliyente. Ano brother? So tara, let's wrap it guys! So as I was saying, I will be wrapping yung 11 regalo ng aking brother sa kanyang client. So let's wrap it up guys. Ay, before anything else, hindi po ito sponsored. Ako po iinom ng Yakult for energy. So yung design ng ating wrapper, may nakalagay na Merry Christmas. 100 pesos yung 8 sheets. May ASMR.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding and a cup of good cheer. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some out here.
Okay, I'm done. I'm done with the first one. Ayan, I'm done with the first one. Tada! I'm gonna rate it 6/10 kasi hindi siya equilateral. Tama ba yung term ko? Hindi siya pantay. Gusto ko kasi symmetrical pala ang term. Tsaka yung tape masyado siyang halata. So, I'm going to create one with lesser yung makikitang tape. Like, double side natin siya. Anyway, I think magugustuhan naman to ng kliyente ng aking brother. Okay, one down. So, lahat ng mga flaws na nakita natin sa first gift wrapping natin is i-fix natin. Tatry natin i-fix to have a better wrapping. Kasi gusto ko symmetrical. Hindi ko lang kung OC ba ako. Pero, mas magandang yun yung gusto ko. Basta yun yung gusto ko i-target. So, come on, let's go! Ayan. So, here's another one for the gift wrapping box number 2. Wala natin gagawin, pagdulugtongin natin yung dalawang wrap na. So yun guys, for the second box, kinulang ako ng paper wrap. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, pero yung kanina, sakto naman siya. So, I'm just going to cut some out kasi madami pa naman ako dito. Reserve. So, hindi ko pa siya tapos pero I'm going to rate na yung pang second. I think this is just 7. Maganda yung wrapping ko kaso may mga kulubot na iba. Naitago ko naman yung tapes pero kulang yung wrap. So, tune in sa aking pangatlo and I still have ilan pa? 9 tries. Tada! Box number 2 done! Hello! So ito, nakadalawa na po tayo na boxes. Now on my third box. Asymmetrical, iba't iba yung nakalagay. So, I will rate it as 5/10. Tsaka madaming nakaangat. So, I'll need to fix that on my 4th try. Hello! So, I will be doing yung 4th try ko ng wrapping pero ibahin ko lang yung video. Hello guys! So natapos ko na po ang 11 boxes ng regalo ng aking brother sa kanyang client. Alam nyo ba, in an average, natatapos ko yung isa ng 19 to 20 minutes. So, i-compute na lang natin yon. So, 11 times 20 minutes. So, ganun ako katagal nag-gift wrap. I think. So, yun lang po. Thank you for watching. Tignan nyo na rin itong aking ginawang Christmas tree.